In this video, I'll show you how to automatically post your Facebook page content to Instagram step by step. By connecting your Facebook page with your Instagram professional account, you can publish eligible posts to both platforms at the same time, saving time and keeping your content consistent. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, switch to your page if needed, then open your professional dashboard or settings. Next, tap Account Center or Linked Accounts, depending on your app version. If your Instagram account isn't connected yet, tap Add Account. Sign in to your Instagram professional account and follow the on-screen instructions to link it to your Facebook page. Once the accounts are connected, return to your Facebook page and tap Create Post. Add your text, photos, or videos as usual. Before publishing, turn on the option to also share the post to your connected Instagram account. Review your content to make sure it looks good on both platforms, then tap Publish. Your eligible post will be shared to both Facebook and Instagram automatically. If you don't see the Instagram sharing option, make sure your Instagram account is a professional account. Both accounts are properly linked, and your apps are updated to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.